this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower yesterday after we had a bearish quarterly stocks and planted acres report released at 11 a.m. Central. Lower across the board. Soybeans were the one that really took it on a chin, down 75 cents in November yesterday. Corn and wheat not as bearish as soybeans, but definitely were bearish, and soybean market helped drag them down as well. So if you want the specifics on that report, check out the post-WASD Wilkins Ag Wire video I did. That's posted on Grain Analyst, and then of course I sent out an email with it yesterday. So if you want the specifics, check that out. It's all there for you. But moving forward, we got some more numbers to go over. We got crop progress out yesterday, so let's take a look at that real quick. All right, so we're going to go over crop progress data here. Go over good to excellent ratings, emerged, and then silking, blooming, and heading. So good to excellent ratings, corn came in at 75%. That's a 1% increase from last week. Beans came in at 72%, unchanged from last week. And then wheat came in at 70%. That's spring wheat. Came in at 70%, and that's a 1% drop from last week. Emerged ratings, the only thing we're getting emerged ratings on for now is beans. We'll probably get another week of bean emerged ratings next week, and then we probably won't get any more after that. But bean emerged came in at 94%. That's compared to 90% the prior week. And then corn silking came in at 5%. We don't have any data to go on this year. Because it's the first number we've gotten for corn silking was this week. So the 5-year average is 9%, so 4% behind the 5-year average on that. Beans blooming came in at 10%. 5-year average is 10%, so we're right on the 5-year average there. And then spring wheat headed came in at 26%, and that's versus 10% last week, so gained 16% on the week. So now that we've got the quarterly stocks and planted acres report behind us, it's really all going to be about the weather and crop conditions moving forward. Did have some heavy rains move forward through the Midwest, Iowa, Illinois, several different areas. Got caught in it last night, as a matter of fact. Looked like I had been underneath a shower for about 2 minutes, and I even had an umbrella. So definitely was some hard rain. I definitely know that for a fact. Of course, there's no grain in Chicago, but definitely surrounding areas got hit by it as well, where there is grain, and definitely other states did as well. But good news is that's kind of the last heavy rains that are expected here for some time. Temps are expected to be maybe a little mild, but warm nonetheless. And not expecting too many more of these heavy drenching rains that could potentially put some crops underwater. So weather outlook looks pretty good now that we've got yesterday's rains behind us. Crop conditions, as we just went over, crop looks great right now, so that could change, but right now it's all about the weather and those crop conditions moving forward. We'll definitely keep you updated as we move forward. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.